few weeks ago, Team D went on a vacation in the island of Cebu. We were fortunate enough to have the opportunity to drive the BYD E-MAX 7 and the BYD Shark 6 DMO around the island. We were able to experience real driving scenario as a family and enjoyed how both cars perform, especially pagdating sa comfort, energy efficiency, and fuel saving. Now that we know how great these new energy vehicles are, the next question is, okay na ba mupalit og BYD car sa Cebu? Is BYD Cebu fully equipped and fully staffed to provide you reliable, comfortable, and worry-free after-sales support? Let's find out. So the BYD E-MAX is still being prepared, and while waiting, I would like you to meet Sir Jansen, the CX and brand manager of BYD Cebu, and Sir MJ, the top one sales consultant of BYD Philippines. Top one sa buong Pilipinas.
So this is our negotiation room. So if you want to negotiate things, you can do it here. And this is our VIP room. Usually, if we have fleet transactions, for example, Grab, car rentals, huge companies, trucking, everything huge, 20 plus units, we do the negotiations and transactions in this specific room. So we closed a lot here.
All the dealerships that I've seen in Metro Manila, tapos ngayon nandito ako sa Cebu, it's the same look and feel. It's the same talaga. Strict yung standards nila in maintaining the setup.
So this is what branding and CX is all about, sir. All across the nation, we wanted to maintain the standards and the CX compliance of all the BYD dealerships all across the country. So as you can see, from every touch point, dapat nasa compliance lahat yun.
Wow, I love
coffee
this.
shop natin, of course, hindi naman lahat ng BYD showroom may coffee shop, but one good thing about Cebu, we have a complete lineup of not just the product, but also the coffee shop as well. But while waiting, sir, they can charge yung kliyente natin, they can actually have some coffee and some pastries.
So this is not your typical casa,
definitely.
You can come here not necessarily for a PMS or for a service. Pwedeng pumunta ka dito for charging, which later we will papakita natin. So pwede ka dito pumunta, magcha-charge ka, and you can do your online work, reply to your business email, or probably have a quick meeting while your car is being charged. Diba?
So we're making sure that everything's comfortable here. So we have tables for you at the same time, coffee shop, you can have coffee while charging.
And there's free Wi-Fi.
Habang pinapagawa yung kotse mo, pinapaayos.
Even this is our releasing area. All units before being placed here are already checked prior. So right now, this Attitude Premium Steel White 2025 model is being prepared.
I like this color. Nice.
Yes.
So I'm pretty sure there's one very excited customer waiting for this.
Very excited.
for today, pick up in today.
Yeah, for today. Because this is our service area. So if you have any concerns with regard to service, just come here, you can walk in. But with the volume, it's better to actually call them first in order to schedule your concerns properly. So Miss Erna here, she's the one that's really in the front line of all the calls and everything. Any concerns with regard to app, the chargers, or anything after sales, it's really Miss Erna is gonna be talking to you.
So she's the one doing the scheduling.
Yes.
Hi, Miss Erna. Tama yun, kapag magpapapilinis kayo, you have to make a reservation first para mas organized, para mas masikaso kayo. Don't just come here. This is exactly the same experience that we have sa BYD Greenfield. Para, when you get there, may enough parking space yung car mo, may sasalubong sa'yo, and you are well taken care of. Except na siguro pag may emergency na tinutow lang yung sasakyan nyo. Okay? I would like you to meet Sir Baron, the service manager of BYD Cebu North. So, sir, mga ilang units ba ang kaya ma-accommodate dito sa service area?
We service 6 units.
6 units.
And maintenance, then warranty claim.
Let's take a quick look lang. Pakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung tsura para makita nyo that BYD Cebu North is well prepared, ready, providing service to your BYD cars.
Hey guys, so just here outside, right beside the BYD Cebu North, very accessible to everyone. They have 4 chargers here. Alright? Dito merong dalawang 60 watts fast charger. This is the DC 60 watts charger. Etong dalawa. And then come here, meron pa ditong 2 AC 22 kilowatt charger. Total of 4. It's very convenient, it's very accessible, ang luwag ng approach, ang luwag ng parking area. So even if your car is not a BYD, pwede kang pumunta dito para mag-charge. You just have to use your Evro, your EVR application for you to avail of the charging service. Habang nag-charge ka, you go to the coffee shop, very comfortable doon, it's cozy. Pwede kang mag-coffee, pwede kang mag-business meeting, pwede kang gumawa ng homework if you're a student habang nag-aantay ka ng charging. Hey guys, finally, nandito na tayo sa BYD Cebu Central. Okay? Tingnan nyo naman ang laki-laki. Clarify ko lang kahapon ang pinuntahan natin yung BYD Cebu North sa Mandaue yon. Ito, dito to mismo sa Cebu City. Ito yung Central. Tingnan nyo naman, this is the biggest BYD dealership in the entire Philippines. Yung binanggit ko sa inyo kanina. Tingnan nyo, hindi namin mapagkasya sa frame ng camera. Anyway, tara, pasok na tayo sa loob. So, welcome to BYD Cebu Central. Tingnan nyo naman, ang dami, ang haba. Oh. Like, there are 2, 4, 6, 8 cars. Silipin natin dito sa unahan. So, you have the BYD Seagull, the BYD Atto 3. This is already the new model. Yung in-improve nila yung bumper. Mas malaki yung gulong. And look at the interior. Ganda. And this is the BYD Tang. BYD Tang, remember, dinala natin to sa Batangas. Nag-camping tayo with Panchita. Alright? And then, dito yung BYD E-Max. The BYD E-Max, katulad ng dala natin today. Ayan. So, this is also the superior captain. Kasi 6-seaters. Alright? Remember, yung ni-review natin during the launch of the BYD E-Max 7, hindi superior captain ang dala natin nun kasi ano lang yun, hindi siya captain seat sa second row. So this is the white one. I also like the color and brown interior. Let's go to the other side. And then, nandito tayo. Look at that. Nandito yung reception nila. It's really big. So, by the way guys, this BYD Cebu Central is only 2 weeks old. Okay? So, 2 weeks pa lang to nung nagbukas. So, dito, according to their group retail manager, there used to be a lot more cars na naka-display dito. Kaya lang, just recently, na-distribute na nila sa other branches. The 4 dealerships here in Cebu are owned by the same company. Okay? So, they share the same inventory. So, I think yung iba dito pinadala sa Mandaue for customer release. Alright? So anyway, come here. So, nandito yung mga VIP and negotiation rooms nila. There's the sales manager office. And then, andyan yung, this is the BYD Seal. Actually, yung Seal, napansin ko, parang the same platform lang siya ng Han. Yun din na natin sa Bolinao, Pangasinan, no? Parang the same platform. Ito, ginawa lang nilang more sporty. Yung Han, ginawa nilang executive na sedan. This one can go faster lang by 0.1 second. So, this is 3.8. Yung Han is 3.9 seconds. So, you can tell baka may konting tweaking lang na ginawa para mas a little bit faster to. But anyway, you're not gonna use that much power on a daily use, di ba? So anyway, we have the BYD Seal 5 here, another Seal 5, and C-Line 6. And of course, hindi complete ang visit mo sa isang BYD dealership kung hindi ka dadaan sa coffee shop nila. Tara! Kaya ako actually, kung minsan gumagawa lang ako ng reason na bumisita sa BYD Greenfield para lang makapagkape. Joke lang, Sir Ramir, Sir Dennis. And just like what we experienced with BYD Cebu North, they also have the BYD Cafe. Tara, tingnan nyo. See, here, you can order different coffees. May mga frappuccinos, may milk tea. Ayan, maraming options. And then, meron din silang mga pastries and cake. It's very comfortable while you are waiting for your car to be serviced or waiting for the release of your car. Now, let's go here. This is the service area naman. So, nandito yung mga service advisors nila. Alright? And then, meron sila dito mga sofa or lounge for the customers to wait. And then here, more space for the customers to wait. Basically, a customer lounge. And then they have big screen here. It's cozy, malamig, masarap magantay dito. And they have this very comfortable seat here. So here, pabalik na ulit tayo dun sa front. More couch and waiting area. So, pakita ko na lang sa inyo yung releasing section nila dito. Just like kay BYD Greenfield, kay BYD Cebu North, may releasing area sila. So dito sa releasing area, this is where they do their final check on the car bago ibigay sa inyo. Alright, so right now, as you can see, meron ditong white na seagull. Ang cute talaga ng seagull, ano? Ayan. Nice, may ribbon pa. Okay, so that was just a quick tour here sa BYD Cebu Central. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And ito pang isang maganda, just like the BYD Cebu North, meron din silang charger dito sa labas. Okay? Pero maganda pag nandito sa labas kasi easy access. Alright? Hindi mo na kailangan mag-transact pa sa loob. I mean, papasok ka pa ba or what? Very easy. Like I said, I think similar to sa BYD Cebu North na kahit hindi BYD yung car mo, pwede ka dito mag-charge. Gagamitin mo lang yung EVRO application. So, ususoin natin ng konti. So, this one, 7 kilowatt yung charger niya. Kaya mukhang pare-pareho. So, there's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3 na 7 kilowatt. Yung nandun sa North, mas malalakas no? But I think since this is the biggest dealership, siguro mag-upgrade pa yan into bigger kilowatt. Good evening, Cebu. We are now here at BYD Cebu Il Corso. Il Corso is actually a mall by Philinvest. Tingnan nyo naman yung dealership nila. Maliit lang no? Pero it feels very exclusive. Social, very fancy. Yun ang first impression ko nung nakita ko to. Tara, pasukin na natin.
Hi, sir.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Welcome to BYD.
Oh, thank you. Hi.
I'm Gilbert, sir. Sales
Hi, Gilbert.
consultant of BYD Cebu Central.
Nice.
And my name is Brian, sir.
Hi, Brian.
Welcome again.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Ayan. Tara, pasok tayo. Ikutin natin tong dealership ng BYD Il Corso. Alright? So, this is the Atto 3 2025. Meron din silang BYD Seagull and then there's the Seal 5. Ganda, no? Medyo nakakapanibago kasi sanay ako sa mga maluluwag na BYD dealership. This one, although maliit, pero again, parang pangmayaman, pang sosyal. Now, look at this. We have here the BYD Seal, yung parang kapatid ng Han that we used 2 weeks ago. Pumunta tayo ng Bolinao, Pangasinan. Remember, guys? Wala kayo, sir, na display ng Han dito, ano?
Yeah, for now, sir, wala.
For now, wala. Okay. And then here at the back, meron silang, of course, the BYD E-MAX 7. Alright? So, as you guys know, dun sa mga reviews natin in the past, yung E-MAX may 2 variants. Merong yung captain seat, which is they call it as the superior captain. Yun yung ginamit natin. The same model na ginamit natin during our first 2 days here in Cebu. And this one, yes, captain seats. So yeah, this is also the same superior captain. All right? And then, Sa taas daw, meron silang coffee shop. Tara, akyat tayo. Pero guys, we're not going to use the stairs. Meron ditong elevator. Tara. Tara, akyat tayo.
Let's go up.
Wow!
Pasok pa sir.
Fancy.
Going up.
Oh, nice. Wow. Okay. So, customer lounge to, ano?
Yes, boss, sir. So to be open, sir, ito po yung coffee bean and tea leaf.
So hindi pa to officially open?
Yes, sir. So
Kailan sila mag-open?
Our target, sir, maybe this month or...
Within this month. Nice. So, eto, coffee bean and tea leaf. So, ano to, alfresco, dito ka pwede mag-coffee outdoors. Nakalak lang. But yeah, so, may coffee tables and chairs sa labas. Nice. So, habang nag-aantay ka ng papers mo, ng negotiation.
Signing the papers or waiting for your car to be released, sir, mag-coffee po na tayo.
Nice,
While
nice.
waiting.
Isa yan sa mga favorites ko sa mga BYD dealership, yung coffee. And then here, ano to? Negotiation room ba to?
Negotiation room, pwede rin, sir, meeting room.
Meeting room, VIP room.
Visitors po kami.
Nice. Pagka may mga fleet
Yes po.
fleet transaction,
Correct,
ganun. Alright, and of course, they have this fancy espresso machine. Alright. Okay, let's take the stairs naman. So, by the way guys, etong BYD Cebu El Corso is really more of a showroom. So, wala silang service dito. Mostly, pang-display lang ng mga units. So, if you buy here, pag magpapa-service ka na, magpapa-PMS ka na, pwede mo nang dalhin sa Central or sa North. Alright? And then, ang releasing din, most of the time, dun din sa Central or sa North. Pero pwede rin daw may cases na dito nila nire-release. But all the preparations are being done dun either sa North or sa Central. And soon, they will have yung sa main na linya, yung sa South. Diba? And target date nila to open is by December this year. And dito naman sa labas, meron ditong 1, 2, 3, 4 na charging ports. Although right now, isa pa lang daw ang working. But look at this. Ito ang gustong-gusto ko dito kapag yung charging station nandito lang sa labas. Madali lang gamitin, madaling mag-park. Alright? So as you can see, nandito yung BYD Shark 6 demo na ginagamit natin. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed our quick tour. Ang ganda-ganda talaga dito sa showroom na to. So this is BYD Cebu El Corso. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Please do not forget to follow our social media accounts. We are on YouTube, Facebook page, Instagram, and TikTok.